What's going on? My name is Zaback, and you're probably wondering why I'm sitting in front of a Christmas tree with a bunch of Christmas presents around me. It's definitely not a financial minimalist video, and it's probably also not the kind of video you're expecting. I want to talk to you for just a quick moment about the best possible Christmas present in the world. Before we do that, go ahead and smash that like button, click that subscribe button so the YouTube algorithm will go ahead and share this video with a lot more people just like you. Now, let's go ahead and jump into what my favorite Christmas present actually is. And it's certainly not Louis Vuitton or Gucci or Hermes. I can tell you that without a shadow of a doubt. My favorite Christmas present is actually an ATM machine. Now, you're probably wondering, Austin, why do you have an ATM machine in front of your Christmas tree in your living room? And the answer is really simple, because I bought myself an ATM machine for Christmas. I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you should go out for Christmas and buy yourself an ATM machine, or if you want to be the world's best husband, the world's best wife, the world's best friend, or whatever it is that you want to be, buy an ATM machine for that said person. One of the reasons why an ATM machine is such an amazing Christmas gift is because of the passive income that it generates every single month. This particular ATM machine will generate me on average between $300 and $500 per month in passive income. Now, $300 to $500 a month in passive income on a $2,500 investment at the very most is a pretty high cash-on-cash return. Now, I know there's a lot of other YouTubers out there talking about REITs and stocks and 401ks and bonds and high-interest savings accounts. I'm here to tell you that an ATM machine will produce 50 times what any other YouTuber is preaching. Another reason that I love this business, and I think you should definitely get into it around Christmas time, is that you get to work your own hours. So you get to go out, hang out with family and friends, and do whatever it is that you like to do. Maybe go sledding down a hill, or whatever it is that you do around Christmas time. But by getting into this business right now, you can work your own hours, and you can literally go in the middle of the night and fill your ATM machines. And you're probably watching this saying, Austin, I get it, but there's no possible way that I can do what you do. And let me tell you, I used to be that person. I remember working a job. I remember working 40, 50, 60, 70 hours a week thinking to myself, I was never going to get out of the rat race. I was never going to be able to make passive residual income. I was never going to be able to go chill on the beach and drink a margarita, or do whatever it is that I wanted to do whenever it is that I wanted to do it. And the reality of it was that I was getting in my own way. I was self-limiting myself. I didn't realize that all the people that had exactly what I wanted were just like me. I thought that you had to be extremely smart, and you had to go to college and get a degree, and you had to go work at some crazy fancy job and work your way up the corporate ladder and save up and buy a house and get a white picket fence around the house and go ahead and get a 401k. Maybe see if your employer would match you. And the reality of it was, I was totally wrong. That life was not for me. What life was for me was a life of passive income. A life where I could wake up and do whatever I wanted, whenever I wanted, with whoever I wanted. And I'm telling you right now, in this Christmas, in 2019, you can do exactly what I've been able to do and create passive income for yourself. Be able to work the hours that you want to work. And you can even buy an ATM machine, put it in front of your Christmas tree, right in your living room, and heck, you could even wrap it if you really wanted to and put a bow on top. The last reason you should get into this business is a very minimal investment. There's a lot of investments out there that cost a ton of money. Getting into real estate can be very expensive. Getting into the stock market and potentially not knowing if you're going to make money or lose money, if it's going to be an up day, a green day, or a red day, right? If it was going to be good or bad, you don't really know. But what I do know for sure is that getting into the ATM business, no matter what, without a shadow of a doubt, if you just land a decent location on this machine, you will for sure get a phenomenal return on your investment, a phenomenal ROI, an ROI that is unheard of in every other industry. There's a lot of things you can put under your Christmas tree this Christmas. I understand that. There's a lot of things under my Christmas tree as well. And while those things are a lot of fun, and it's all fun and games, none of that is truly fulfilling. What is fulfilling is running a business that literally can make you as much money as you want to make, work the hours that you want to work with a minimal investment and a minimal amount of risk. That is what I want for my Christmas present. Hey, thanks so much for watching this video. My name's Zaback. If you haven't already, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and drop in the comments section down below what you would like to see in a future video, and I'll see you in the next one.